Bohol Island, a gem in the Philippines, offers a captivating mix of natural wonders and cultural heritage. Famous for its chocolate hills, a geological marvel of over 1,200 limestone mounds that turn brown during the dry season, Bohol is a unique spectacle. It is also home to the tarsier, one of the world's smallest primates, found in the island's lush forests. Panglao Island, connected to Bohol, is a favorite spot for pristine beaches and world-class diving. The Lobak River invites visitors to enjoy scenic cruises while indulging in local delicacies. History and spirituality blend seamlessly in sites like the centuries-old Baclayan Church. With its enchanting landscapes, vibrant marine life, and rich traditions, Bohol offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Would you like to explore Bohol's history, wildlife, or culture further?